Good girl. Come in. Oh my god.
Are you proud? Yes.
Hazel, come here. Oh, difference between life and death. Can I pet that dog? Nope.
Él solo se cayó.
Special Christmas edition of Popmaster. Sam Ryder facing the UK's most loved music.
And your dog finds out his gift is there. No, you can't have it.
What you doing?
Veterinarians treat your dog at the vet.
Oh my god, look at her. Look at her. She's so perfect and cute. I love it so much.
What did you do, Zoe? What happened? What did you do?
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem? You looking at?
Insist on laying this close to me when I'm working, then I guess I'll kill two birds with one stone. You're a good mouse pad.
With Thumbtack, you can easily find top-rated professionals for every home project.
If you look in my living room, you might be wondering, why would you put the rug there and not center it where your couches are? That's because these two fucking idiots ate the floor!
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh.
What are we doing over here? What are we doing?
Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Caught her waking up.
Good morning. Remy. It's just a reindeer. It's just a reindeer. Come on.
Is it a big stick? Okay, Reagan. I'm gonna take the stick away from you.
How
Is for you.
The bottom line is we need to get a dog for protection. Like if someone tried to break into our house, I'd want to make sure that they were immediately terrified.
No, thank you. No, thank you. No, thank you. Sorry.
Jazz, want to go potty outside?
Who are you?
Dobby, sir. Dobby the house elf.
Mother, where is it? Where the is it? I swear to God. You laughing, girl? You trying to laugh? This funny? Let me show you some.
Relax, relax. Ты, боже мой, охранница.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh.
Did you put yourself in bear jail? Under the chair.
Let's go.
It's time to get out of the pool. Get out. Let's go. Let's go.
Billy, careful. Billy.
Oh.
Oh my God, what is that?
Lucy! Hey, you're not going to the vet, baby. Oh, we're going. Lucy! Baby, you're not going. Aw.
Get a pet velociraptor, you said, Steven. It would be fun, Steven. Now it's trying to eat me, Steven. What do I do?
Excuse me? What do you think you're doing? You?
I'd say it was the bear. Okay, go down to shows.
Oops, I was just gonna look for it here. Is that okay?
Yep. Probably that's it.
Is this over microphone?
Do you? I haven't asked you the question yet. Do you? I haven't even said the word yet.
Mom.
Oh my goodness. I know you're starving. You're starving. I understand. Yes. I haven't been fed in days. I know.
¿Qué hiciste, Vicky? ¿Qué hiciste? ¿Qué hiciste, Vicky? Tiró todo.
Jerome is officially charged with first-degree murder. First-degree murder means that he faces mandatory life in prison without the possibility of
Lord! Oh my God.
Gasp at your dog and see their reaction.
No, that's not nice. And if you get hit, you kind of do. Stop kicking him. Look, he has nowhere to go.
Did he just fall backwards?